Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you download and install apps in your iPhone without the payment method or billing information. So guys, if you don't have any billing information or payment method and you want to download and install the apps in your iPhone without any payment method, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. Simply go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and after this you have to simply tap on your profile from here, and from here you have to simply tap on media and purchases, tap on view account and wait for some seconds here again. So guys, from here select your country, tap on change country or region, select your country from here, here I am selecting United States, and now tap on agree from here, and from here you can see there are two options for you. That one is you can add your debit credit card or your PayPal account, and the other is none button. So as from here you have to simply select none button from here. So I tap on this, and after this you have to simply add your billing name here. You can give any fake one as well, and after this you have to give here your billing address. You can also give it fake one as well. So I simply give any fake entries here, and after this you have to save this information on your iPhone. So I simply save this information, and after this go back and check. Hopefully after this you will be able to download and install the apps without any payment method. So guys, now open your app store, and now you will be able to download and install the apps without any payment method. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.